Namaskar. Honorable Governor of the state of Telangana, Shri Jishnu Varma ji, Director NRSC, Department of Space ISRO, Dr. Chowhan ji, DRDO's the mother missile laboratory here, DRDL, for which Dr. Kalam was the director and the present director of it, Shri GAS Murthy, director of the Advanced Systems Laboratory, which is the Agni Missiles Laboratory, Shri Paparao, the man behind the whole program, the Kalam Institute of Youth Excellence, Shri Naresh Indian, principals of various engineering colleges and institutes, the faculty, and the most important, the students from in and around Hyderabad who have come here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Kalam. Namaskar to all of you. Very good afternoon to all of you. I have one request to all the students here. Honorable Governor, the most respected person of the state, is here. All of us, as long as he is here, we need to maintain pin drop silence and listen to his speech when he is going to deliver. And also, all the people who have come here are very important people. Please maintain utmost silence till Honorable Governor leaves this function. Friends, Dr. Kalam, when he came to the Hyderabad laboratories as the director of the missile laboratory, this country didn't have one missile. We haven't developed one missile. See the courage of this man. He conceived a program called Integrated Guided Missiles Development Program, IGMDP, wherein he said, I will develop 5 missiles at one go. Went to the government, to Delhi. He had the courage to present to the Prime Minister, convinced them, and then he could get the program sanctioned with 5 missiles, the Prithvi, Agni, Akash, Trishul, Nag, simultaneously developing it. That's the courage. And that has led to today, the country developed number of missiles, right from Prithvi, Dhanush, Agni, Agni 1, Agni 2, Agni 3, Agni 4, Agni 5, BrahMos, Akash. You talk about ballistic missile defense, Astra, Nag, whatever it is, many number of missiles, and the country is standing today tall in the globe as a missile power today. That is because of Dr. Kalam. Similarly, when he came as a director here, he thought we should have a laboratory which is something like a NASA of India, and so he dreamt about it. He conceived the project, and then the RCI is born, Research Center Imarat, in 2,300 acres of land. The complete avionics and missiles related electronics and missile systems, whatever it is, all the required in that place of 2,300 acres, wherein for the foundation stone of that particular laboratory, he could convince, and he brought the Honorable Prime Minister to lay the foundation. For the inauguration of that laboratory, none other than Honorable President of India came to inaugurate that laboratory. That is how he conceived such a big thing. Simultaneously, the missile test range was not there at the time. In the state of Orissa, Balasore district, simultaneously he conceived and made the ITR, which is the interim integrated test range at Chandipur, and the first missile test of Agni is tested in the state of Orissa at Chandipur. First Agni missile. That is the type of a vision, courage, what he had, And that is how today the country became a power in the defense. He became SDRM. Then he conceived the Tejas aircraft program, fighter aircraft program. He conceived the submarines program. He conceived the tank program. So wide variety of defense systems. And that's how today country is self-reliant in the areas of missiles, radars, sonars, torpedoes, AWACS systems, electronic warfare systems, tanks, guns, aircrafts, communication systems, submarine ships. We have become world leaders today. India stands very tall in all these areas now. Once upon a time, we were the largest importers of defense equipment. And today, we started exporting. Last financial year, 2023-24, we exported, India has exported more than 24,000 crores of defense equipment to the entire world. You see, a country which is the largest importer transformed itself to be an exporter. That is the vision. I remember 15 days before he had his last breath, when I was become the scientific advisor to the Raksha Mantri, he invited me to his house in Rajaji Marg, and we sat almost 2 hours in his library, what all we should do. His dream was always that India should be number one. Conceive such projects, make the country proud, make the country advanced technology country, and make the country prosperous. This is what his dream was. That is why he thought, it is the youngsters who can make that happen. So as President of India, or later, he went to schools, colleges across the country, inspiring the children and students that they should be coming out with most advanced technologies. That is how today the youngsters of this country are coming out with great innovations, startups in a big way. You see, in the year 2016, this country had just 458 startups. And today, this country has more than 150,000 startups, which is a rare number worldwide. And our innovations are appreciated by the most advanced technologies. Most of our deep tech startups are getting funded by none other than United States of America, European countries, Singapore. These are the countries which are funding, seeing the type of innovations our youngsters are making. So that is what it is. Today it is becoming a reality of the Dr. Kalam's dream that our youngsters should lead the most advanced technologies here. So you people who are sitting here, on this day, we should remember what Dr. Kalam has said and think like that, think big. As Director DRDL was telling, dream that you want to make the most advanced technology system and you want to become a great person and make yourself, your institute a great institute, your society a great institute, make your family be proud of it and make your family be prosperous and in turn make the country be prosperous and country be proud out of your achievements. The country's prosperity is in your hands. And so you please work towards it and make the Dr. Kalam's dream a reality. That is the great tribute what we can pay to Dr. Kalam. Jai Hind, Namaskar.